Justin, gusto kong tanongin to from G. Juliano ng editor ng Malaya. Malaya? Okay. Okay, there's a video. This is for Julia muna. There's a video of you asking audiences if they would watch your movie with their exes. Kailan ka dumating sa point na you became comfortable enough to meet your ex to meet your ex again, and ano yung nag-precipitate nung feeling na yon, okay na ako to Joshua.
So in other words, in a simpler form, ano yung tanong?
I know. Naguluhan nga rin ako, pero sabi ko ang ganda ng tanong, pero ako naguluhan.
Hindi mo na natanong.
Tita G,
ano parang kanina pa tinatanong sa'yo din yan.
Alin? Yung...
Kaya ko pahawak ng script.
Yung sa wall show daw kasi, first of all guys, tinanong na ibang cast yan. Inulit ko lang yung tanong, baka hindi klaro. At saka nag-joke lang ako. Kumbaga, hindi ko namang ini-encourage na panoorin niyo with your ex. Kasi choice niyo naman yun, di ba?
Kasi uso ngayon ng mga exes na nag-reunite.
Uso ba yun?
Officially for you, yung sa Showtime, di ba?
Yes.
Especially for you.
I mean, choice naman niyo yun. I mean, kung parang, di ba, kung trip niyo yun.
It's for entertainment.
Oh, for entertainment lang naman
yun. Parang masaya lang, di ba?
Correct. Joke time lang yun. Pero hindi namin sinasabing kailangan panoorin niyo to. Kasama mga ex. So kahit mag-isa kayo, okay lang. Basta panoorin nyo, buy and take care of yourself.
Josh, may dadagdag ba? Okay. Kasi next ikaw na. The question, what steps did you take to prepare for the role and was asking your current partner's permission included in these steps? Did you ask permission from?
No, hindi ako nag-ask sa partner ko. Kasi bago pa rin kayo magkakilala, alam niyo yung actor na yung, pagiging actor na yung trabaho.
Oh, sana all, no?
I'm just very supportive about sa movie. Kung ano naging process ko sa movie, enjoy ko lang yung process. Enjoy ko lang siya, and enjoy ko yung journey na makatrabaho ulit si Julia. And enjoy ko yung journey na makatrabaho si Derek Peterson and lahat ng cast natin dito. Yun lang yung nangyayari na. And kung may mali man kasi kayong magawa, kino-correct na kami ng writers na nila direct.
May writers on the set ka, kayo?
Yes,
dumadala.
very hands-on sila sa pelikula.
At least hands-on, di pabaya. Charot, may pabaya pa. Tawa ng tawa dito, Miss Kea. Okay. Ano, ikaw to o ako to, Justin? The
next question will come from Jimmy Anarcon of Freebie MNL.
Yay! Birthday ni Jim pila 2 days ago. Hi Jim, stand up. Happy birthday. Hoy, dito si Julia, favorite mo.
Yeah,
correct. Thank you so much.
Okay. First question, ano naman to ha, not naman on the negative side, no? But hindi ba kayo nag-worry? Kasi most of the time, pwedeng dalawa yung effect, di ba? Pag nagre-reunion yung mga ex. Either, syempre you become friends talaga, which we all hope for. And some, medyo mag-open ng can of worms, parang ganon. Tapos di na magkaka-work after.
Can of what?
Can of worms. Mga, siguro mga unclosed keme, ganyan. Hindi ba kayo nag-worry na baka mayroong ganong sitwasyon?
May mga mauungkat na may mau-open na issues, Joshua.
Issues.
Hindi ba kayo nag-worry na may mabubuksang issues?
Or naka-ready na kayo or naka-gear na kayo na okay, this will be a fun set, happy reunion.
Ini-idiomatic expression naman kasi tayo. Ini-idioms tayo ni Jim P.
Feeling ko ready na kami kasi unang-una hindi rin namin tatanggapin kung hindi kami ready.
Actually naman.
So diba, parang bakit namin gugustuhin na masaktan kami dito sa pelikula? Parang sobrang sadista naman natin sa sarili natin, diba? Parang I think ready na kami bago pa namin gawin. It's been 5 years na din, diba? Matagal na, marami na nagbago and yung ibang-iba na, right?
Yeah, in a good way.
In a good way. Yeah.
Ikaw, Julia.
Ano
merong
yun?
addition to that.
Saan po?
Doon sa mau-open na mga
kung hindi ka ba nag-worry?
Can of worms.
Hindi naman, I don't think it was worry. Honestly, I was just really excited to reunite with Josh, work with him, and work with Derek Peterson, our cast, our writers that, you know, I worked with Kukay several times also. So it was more excitement. I think ang ganda ng mindset namin lahat coming into this project na we all had one goal, and I think that made us bond even closer because of that one goal.
And then Julia, coming from that viral video, no?
What?
Hindi, eto naman, ano lang, parang...
Ready lahat, sila yun yung tanong.
Ano ginawa?
maganda kasi na narating nyo na yung ganong sitwasyon na pwede na siyang pagtawanan, gawing joke. So parang through the years na, yun nga, nagkaroon ng something, tapos pwede kayong magka-work ulit ngayon. Paano nyo na-achieve or na-prepare yung sarili nyo to be in that situation na pwede nyo na siyang pagtawanan and you can work together harmoniously?
Yeah.
Sorry. I feel like parang may understanding na kami na even if we don't talk about it, parang okay na sa amin eh. Kasi tagal na eh, parang happy na kami sa posisyon namin sa buhay ngayon. And then parang ang gusto na lang namin mangyari ngayon is parang ma-retain yung friendship namin, diba? Yung, diba? So sayang eh, kasi diba parang iba na rin yung understanding natin sa isa't isa.
Yes, agree. Tama yung sinabi ni Josh.
Okay. Thank you so much
Thank you
and
so
congratulations.
Thanks, James.
I mean,
Happy birthday ulit.
happy birthday!
Okay. Gusto mong, tanungin ko to na, ano, here's a question kasi ang maganda to eh, pero parang feeling ko nasagot na, so hindi ko na itatanong. Charot. For Joshua, Josh, sa palagay mo ba hindi makaka-apekto sa relasyon mo, sa real girlfriend mo, real life girlfriend mo, ang pakikipagtambal mo kahit di pa parang nasagot nyo na hindi, don't have to tell.
Hindi naman.
And for Julia, how was your working dynamic with each other evolved? How has your working dynamic with each other evolved since your last collab?
Our last is Paubaya.
Paubaya. Wala, you know what? It feels so the same and different at the same time. But different is good because it means like over the years, parang nag-evolve na kami as people and as actors as well. So it's nice that, you know, we've grown a lot in those past years as we come together and we get to learn new things about each other and then from each other while we're working. So it's really been a really good and fun experience doing this with Josh all over again. Parang iba talaga yung dynamic namin sa trabaho. Ang dali ng trabaho kapag may pagkakaintindihan kayo na kayo lang makakaintindi sa proseso na yun. So it's special. It's different.
Tama namin, it was a real special relationship that you had and up to now you still keep that, di ba? Yung respect for each other, di ba? Kaya ang gandang lumalabas. The question pala came from Wilson Riquiza ng Kapamilya On Demand. Okay, may gusto kang tanongin or we can entertain questions from here from Alan Diones, I understand. May mga gusto na. Mari, may gusto kang tanongin? Bago ko basahin itong 29 questions. Charot.
Ayan, Sir EJ, siguro umpisahan muna natin. Dito naka-standby si Judy Arias of Metro.style.
Ayan, Judy?
Hey, Judy Arias po. Hi, Julia, Joshua. I have a question. So, what lessons about love do you hope the audience takes away from the film?
Wala. Tsaka in pain eh. Iiyak pa kami ng iiyak dito.
Is all about feeling ko isa dito yung healing. Healing. Yung pag-accept. Tama.
Ang dami, you know why? May sariling personal journey si Juancho, may sariling personal journey si Zai. And even all of our characters here in the movie, we all have our personal journeys na nakikita talaga namin yung isa't isa. Parang kaming reflection lahat ng isa't isa. We all have our different pains and our different joys. So, but tama si Josh, it's healing, it's letting go, it's accepting, it's setting free. It's really gonna be an emotional roller coaster ride in this film. And yeah, excited kami na guluhin ang buhay niyo for 2 hours. Joke. Just kidding.
Yeah. Tama po yan.
One more for Direk naman.
The question is from?
For Direk po.
Hindi, anong name mo?
My name is RC and I'm also from Metro.style.
Ganda.
Thank you.
Pinagandaan tayo ng RC.
Thank you po. And my question po for Direk is, why did you choose to shoot in Naga? What is special about Naga and how does the location enhance the story?
I've been meaning to ask, di ba may iba rin binibigay yung landscape ng Naga, di ba, Direk? Are you a Bicolano?
Actually, no. Hindi naman. But it was actually an idea that I worked with our writers. Kasi part of the journey that actually hindi pa natin masyadong binabanggit, but you actually guys saw it in the trailer, is medyo mapang-ahas at may nakakatakam na element din yung reunion ng exes sa story. And we felt like Naga as a city that's filled with a lot of spiciness. We wanted to like also embrace that
The silly
that
challenge.
flavor. Meron din siyang flavor na gano'n. At saka yung na-add anything.
Go ahead, Miss
Kasi
Cooper.
as mentioned by si Direct P, parang, di ba, yung pag kumakain ka ng maanghang at first, parang mapapasipa ka. But later on, parang kapag
Paano yung
nandun ka
sipa?
na.
Paano yung sipa?
Ikaw mo. Si Bong, parang kaya ni Bong yung sipa. Ayun. Di ba, parang parang, what was that? Pero meron siyang sarap na nabibigay later on.
And the pain stays.
Oo, pero the pain stays, but it's so good.
Uy, totoo yan.
So,
Pero after, di ba, parang you still wanna keep wanting for more.
Totoo, di ba? Kain ka naman ng kain. Kahit
Yes.
andun yung pain, andun yung heat.
that's why we set it in
Kahit
Naga.
alam mong nadala ka na, uulitin mo pa rin siya.
Yes.
Gusto ko pelikula. Dapat pala title to Silly.
Silly challenge.
Kasi
Yun
that
ang
explains
title.
the whole synopsis yata, di ba? Nadala ka, nasigi pa rin.
Yes. Nasaktan ka na, gusto mo ba rin?
Ganda. Ang gandang anong tawag doon. Anyway, okay. You're good, Miss RC.
Thank you po.
Thank you, dear. Gusto kong tanong.